Hey folks, I'm Jennifer Lau, a master gardener at English Gardens here at the Royal Oak, Michigan location. We received these Yucca Cane plants this week, and it seems like a great opportunity to talk about them. Maybe not the most common house plant, but it is one of the top rated plants for cleaning toxins from the air according to NASA, and it's so very low maintenance. I've often thought about bringing one home myself. Now, I'm blessed to have a sunroom. That is one of the very few requirements for this girl. They want sun. It's a succulent. But you don't always see a ton of desert plants that can fill a corner with this much height. Remember, the key to plants is you want a connoisseur to make a plant think that it's growing where it's native to. The yucca does grow in the US, down south, where it's hot and arid. So I probably water something like this size only about once a month maybe. Think of a ZZ plant or a snake plant. They all want to be dry several inches down before you even pick up your watering can. And they will not be happy sitting in any water. So make sure there's nothing in the bottom of the saucer afterwards. Dump any of that out. I'm personally looking for one that is already this tall, but they do make a cool looking table plant if that's what fills your space. And remember, if you don't have any good window space, you can always put a grow light and a floor lamp, and that'll take care of business for you. Okay, one more thing. It almost never gets bugs attacking it. Talk about a plant that just doesn't need a lot of attention. The Yucca Cane. Hope you try one sometime. And if you ever have any questions about any plant life, remember, English Gardens is here to make gardening easy. So stop in or give us a call. Here's to making life beautiful. We'll see you soon.